siyang foundation primer with SPF 50+, PA++++. Hindi mo na ako magpa-foundation na makapal or cushion. Kasi as you can see guys, I'm currently breaking out. I need to fix my skin muna. I need to heal my skin. I'll be using this foundation primer from Sola. And this is in the shade Light Beige. So this is my first time I'm gonna be trying this. I'm gonna be using my fingers na lang to apply this. So guys, naisipan ko palang gumawa ng makeup look. Lagi kasi ganito yung ginagawa ko guys, lalo na kapag nagmamadali ako. And ang dami rin nagre-request actually nito guys. So yun na talaga guys, ilalagay ko na lang siya sa neck. So this is what my base look like guys. And as you can see, medyo visible yung mga iba kong dark spots. Hindi ko siya guys ma-cover up kasi inhale ko pa yung skin ko. So ayoko siya muna lagyan ng too much product. So ito lang muna talaga yung base natin for today. But you can apply a concealer or foundation if you want. But since this is a no makeup look, I decided to use a lightweight base. So for my blush, I'll be using this PP01 from Pink Flush Cosmetics. It's so cute. This is their new collection na dewy blush. Nalagay ko siya dito sa cheeks ko sa bandang gitna. And guys, hindi ko siya kakapalan. Yan. And then let's try to blend it. So guys, hindi muna ako gagamit ng brush masyado. Kasi this look is pwede naman na fingers lang yung gamitin. And ina-avoid ko din kasi guys gumamit ng brush. As of the moment kasi nagbe-breakout ako. I don't know why pa. Pero it's getting better naman na. Sabi kasi nila, mas okay daw gumamit ng fingers kapag nagbe-breakout or kapag super sensitive ng skin. But make sure guys na malinis yung fingers nyo when you're applying a makeup on your face. So this is what it looks like guys on the left side of my face. And dito yung wala pa. As you can see, sobrang dewy niya. Ang ganda nito guys. Sobrang lightweight sa face. Ang ganda ng shade na to guys. This is perfect for no makeup look. I'm okay na with the blush. So hindi ako pwede maglagay ng super kapal na blush. Kasi guys, ang atake lang natin for today is no makeup. So dapat ang itsura ng blush natin is parang nag-flush ka lang or kinilig ka lang ganun. Since I'm already done with my blush, maglalagay na ako ng eye makeup. So for my eye makeup, gagamit lang ako ng very nude shade from this palette. You saw this na on my previous vlog kasi ginamit ko rin to for my makeup look. So dito guys, gagamit na ako ng brush. Since pang eyeshadow siya, so I can use my fingers. Ito yung gagamitin ko. Yung ginamit ko din last time. Very natural looking kasi niya. Hindi siya masyadong halata. And then extend it here. Para lang magka-shadow yung eyes na mahaba. And then I'm gonna do the same here sa kabilang side. And kung mapapansin nyo guys, hindi talaga siya super OA na eyeshadows. So ayan siya guys, on my eyes. And as you can see, very minimal, very natural looking ng eyeshadow. Pero mayroon talaga yung eyeshadow guys. Hindi lang siya super visible. Lalagay ako ng shadow dito sa eyeliner part para lang magkaroon ng extension yung eyes and mas open tingnan. So, gagamit ako ng dark brown shade. I'll be using this palette from Flower Nose. So, I'll be using this shade, guys. Ito. And then, lalagay ko siya dito sa outer part ng eyes, which is dun sa may paglalagay natin ng eyeliner. Lalagyan natin siya ng powder para hindi siya masyadong plain. And hindi tayo mag-eyeliner kasi today. So this is what it looks like guys kapag nalagyan na siya ng shadow sa eyeliner part. And I use this shade. And kapag maglalagay kayo ng shadow sa eyeliner part, gamit kayo ng super thin brush. Like yung mga pang kilay, ganyan. Mas dense yung kanilang brush and super thin. Again, do the same thing. Anyway guys, you can skip this part if you don't like wearing eyeliner or if hindi kayo masyado pang sanay. Pero guys, super dali lang naman niya kasi eyeshadow powder lang naman yung ginamit natin. And hindi naman siya totally eyeliner talaga na super hirap tanggalin. And since pang no makeup look lang, dito ko lang siya nilalagay sa end ng eyes para lang magkaroon ng extension and ma-highlight yung natural eyeliner ko. Kasi meron ako natural eyeliner guys, yung parang line. So, yun na yung sinusundan ko. So, this is what our eyes looks like. So, to complete our eye look, ita-tightline ko yung eyes ko. So, kapag target nyo is daily makeup, dapat magta-tightline kayo. Kahit tightline lang. Or, if ayaw nyo mag-eyeshadow, tightline lang, guys. Kasi nga, mas na-enhance nyo yung eyes kapag nagmamascara tayo. And, mas open talaga tingnan kapag merong tightline. So, lagi ko ito sinasabi sa mga makeup tutorials or makeup videos ko. This is the secret, guys. Tightline your eyes. Guys, hindi nyo siya i-extend hanggang dulo. So, dito lang talaga siya sa under na lashes. So guys, mas perfect if you have a brown shade. Pero guys, kasi ngayon wala akong brown. Naubos ko na yung brown shade ko. So, I'm just gonna use the black one. Okay lang naman kahit black. So, this is what it looks like guys kapag na-tightline na natin yung eyes. And as you can see, mas na-highlight niya yung eye shape ko. Favorite part ko to when doing makeup. Kasi guys, ito rin minsan yung nagdadala ng eye look. So, as you can see, ayan, nalagyan ko na yung under ng lashes ko. Part na sa pang-ilalim ng eyes. Yung bandang dulo lang yung lalagyan ko. So, yung shade lang yung gagamitin ko. Then, gagamit din ulit ako ng mas dense and mas thin na brush. Magko-contour muna ako guys. So, yung gagamitin kong pang-contour guys is yung OG contour powder ko, which is this one. And as you can see, hindi naman halatang favorite ko siya. And then, blend. So, in-extend ko siya dito, guys. Para ma-fillan niya din yung mga part na wala dito. And, itong contour powder na to, guys, super perfect niya rin kasi pang daily. Kaya ako siya ginagamit. And, hindi siya super harsh. And, bagay siya sa undertones ko, which is neutral. So, para mas namipis lang tingnan yung nose natin, ganyan. Nalagyan natin siya niyan. So, this is what my nose looks like. Diba? Sobrang ganda. So, iba-bronzer ko lang yung face ko, guys, using the same shade. Para hindi masyadong plain tingnan yung face. So, i-warm lang natin siya ng very, very light. Ayan, ganyan lang, guys. Para lang ma-warm yung face natin ng onting-onte. And hindi masyadong ma-white. Kasi kanina parang medyo light yung napili kong shade sa Sola na base. And guys, lagay din kayo dyan para mukhang snatch yung face. I'm okay na with the bronzer and winarm ko lang yung face ko ng onte para balance. And then now maglalagay na ako ng eyebrows. This is in the shade 03. So ibabrush ko lang siya sa kilay ko while also following the shape of my brows. It also makes sure na your brows stays in place. So, naayos ko na yung brows ko. So, now maglalagay na ako ng mascara. So, gagamitin ko mascara is yung recently kong favorite na duo, which is this lengthening and fixing mascara ng Focalure. So, ayan, this one. Lalagyan ko muna siya guys ng fixing mascara. Then later on, lalagyan ko siya ng lengthening. So, yung fixing mascara nila, yung mascara primer. May tint din to guys. Pero sobrang light lang. Ayan siya guys. Pag nalagyan na siya ng fixing mascara, so na maglalagay na ako ng lengthening. So yung lengthening, mas manipis yung wand niya. And pangpahaba siya ng lashes. So nalagay ko siya dito sa dulo. Meron din siya guys kasamang pang brush ng lashes. So yun yung gagawin natin. Ibabrush natin siya para hindi masyadong nagdidikit-dikit. Para matanggal din yung mga excess product. So this is what my lashes looks like guys. With and without. So guys, every time na ginagamit ko to, parang na rin ako naka-lash extension or lash clusters. Kasi guys, super nakakahaba talaga siya. So hindi masyadong visible sa camera yung lashes ko, but in person guys, super nakataas na siya. And ang haba niya tingnan, I swear. So i-highlight ko lang ng onting-onti yung aegosal ko guys. Para hindi masyadong plain yung baba. So onting-onti lang. Yan, ganyang amount lang. It's a little less sa usual kong ginagawa. So, now ipa-powder ko na lang yung face ko using this. This is their Lasting Matte Loose Powder. So, nilalagay ako dito sa takip para hindi makalat. So, ilalagay ko siya dito. And then, blend pataas. Ayan siya guys, kapag na-powder na. And let it dry. So, while waiting na matuyo siya, maglalagay na ako ng lip product. So, gagamit ako nitong Glossy Balm ng Pink Blush. So, binigyan nila ako ng 4 shades. So, I'll be using the NU01. And ganito siya guys. Para siyang dupe ng Nature Republic. Pinupush siya dito para lumabas yung product. Ito yung gagamitin ko for my lippy. So, this is what it looks like. This is the NU01. Diba, para ka lang naka-lip balm. And yung shade niya sobrang ganda. Para siyang my lips but better. So, I really like it. So, ito na rin yung aking setting spray. So, guys, kapag super minimal ng makeup ko, and gusto ko gawing mas extra, inaayos ko yung hair ko. So, sa hair ako bumabawi. So, also, guys, a lot of you are requesting to do a video na how I style my hair. So, this is it. So, this is the product that I'm using to style my hair. So, this is the Dream Pocket. So, meron siyang blower, meron din siyang curling nozzle, and then pang straightening, which is the unfrizz nozzle. Ayan siya guys. Super ganda. Nakapag-blower na ako guys kanina, so hindi na ako mag-blower ng hair. But I'm gonna show you a video nung binoblower ko siya. And my hair guys is super thick. Parang napapatuyo niya within 5 minutes or 4 minutes. Depende guys kung gaano basa yung hair ko. Pero if after ko maligo, mga 4 to 5 minutes ko siyang napapatuyo. Kapag manipis yung hair nyo, within 2 minutes or 3 minutes tuyo na yung hair nyo guys. But since guys thick hair girly ako, umabot siya ng 4 minutes to 5, which is mas mabilis compared dun sa old blower ko. So this is what the blower looks like kapag walang nozzle. Ito guys, hindi rin siya masyadong maingay. As you can see, hindi siya masyadong maingay guys kung narinig nyo. And para siyang naka-silencer yung blower. Kasi yung ibang blower sobrang ingay. Ito yung gusto ko sa kanya guys. Hindi siya nakakapasok sa skin or sa face, sa tenga. Guys, nung binasa ko yung product description, meron siyang NTC sensor. Which is nakaka-help para hindi magkaroon ng damage yung skin. And para hindi rin siya nakakapasok. Based on the product description, meron siyang 300 negative ions. For smooth and para ma-reduce din yung frizziness ng hair, meron siyang 2 airflow speed. Ito yung first. Ayan. And then this is the second. Mas malakas siya guys. Meron siyang 5 temperature modes. Pero favorite ko dito guys is yung cold, hot, tsaka warm. Depende pa rin sa preference nyo guys and situation ng hair nyo. So since na-blow dry ko na yung hair ko, gagamitin ko tong unfrizz nozzle kasi as you can see, medyo may fly away siya. Magnetic siya guys. So to attach na nozzle, didikit nyo lang siya. Yan. So guys, kaya ganyan yung style niya is natitwitch siya pataas. Yan. Para magamit mo yung curling nozzle. So, ito siya. Yan siya guys. Pang curling nozzle. So, ayan. Gagamitin ko tong unfrizz nozzle to straighten my hair. Gagamitin ko yung second speed. And yung warm yung gagamitin ko guys. So, as you can see guys, after 1 minute lang ata to, wala pang 2 minutes. As you can see, na-straighten niya na yung hair ko. And nawala yung mga parang curve ng side na to. And ito, as you can see, medyo frizzy pa siya. And mas nag-shine tong part na to guys, compared to this one na medyo frizzy looking siya. So, ito yung nagamitan ko na nito. Look at the difference guys. And super bilis nyo lang guys maka-style ng hair within 2 minutes lang. So, ito namang part na to, gagamitan ko ng unfrizz nozzle. So, ayan guys, finish na yung dalawang side. Using this unfrizz nozzle, and as you can see, na-straighten niya yung hair ko and mas nag-shiny siya tingnan guys. Wala akong nilagay na oil sa hair ko, but it looks shiny. Ayan, super ganda. So, kung gusto niyo na straight, pwede na tong gantong style guys. But for me, I like to curl my hair today. So, pinakita ko lang talaga sa inyo guys, yung itsura niya pag na-straight. Pero magka-curl talaga ako ng hair today. So, kapag curl naman, tanggalin ko lang siya guys. And then, iangat ko lang siya. And then, gagamit ako nitong curling nozzle. Yung top side niya guys, meron ditong instruction. Nati-twist to guys, para yung airflow niya is pwedeng pa left and pa right. Ang gagawin ko muna is yung left side. So kapag left side, dapat ang punta ng twist is sa left, of course. Yan, pa left. So isa section ko muna yung hair ko, lower muna. High speed ulit yung gagamitin ko guys. Looks like guys kapag na-curl na siya. And as you can see, super cute and bouncy ng pagka-curl niya guys. Now, titwist ko siya pa right. And then now, curl muna natin itong side na to. Ang ganda guys. So guys, tapos na tayo mag-curl ng hair and this is what it looks like. It's giving Victoria's Secret model yung ating hair. And it's super pretty guys. Super nagandahan ako sa pagka-curl niya. Actually guys, may bag siya and pwede siyang pang travel. Ayan yung bag niya guys. So pwede itong dalhin kapag mag-outing, mag-travel. Again guys, pwede niyo siyang itaklob like this. And ilalagay ko siya sa bag. As you can see guys, it fits. Ayan o. Perfect siya dalhin pag to travel. And as you can see, maluwag pa yung space niya. May bag na siya na included. So, ito yung kasama niyang bag. It's very compact and travel-friendly. As you can see naman guys, sa result ng hair ko right now, it's giving talaga sobra and I like it. I like the result. Within just 10 minutes na achieve ko yung ganitong hairstyle guys. What more pa pag mas manipis yung hair. Very gentle din siya sa scalp. Hindi siya mainit, hindi siya nakakapaso. Overall guys, super ganda na ang hairstyling na to from Dream Pocket. So ilalagay ko sa description box yung details nila. Please check them out kasi super worth it guys, I swear. So this is the end of this video guys. Napakita ko na sa inyo kung paano ako mag-style ng hair using this Dream Hair Pocket na 3-in-1. So this is our final look for today's video. So if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And guys, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget also to check out the Dream Hair Pocket. So that's it for today's video. See you guys on my next one. Bye!